Hi guys, welcome to another video. So I'm here in Manor Park and we stopped to get breakfast at Ziggy's. Don't know what I'm getting yet. Let me show you the menu. Oh, and you'll see where we're going today. Stay tuned. No, that's a waste of time. Everything was basically $500 to $600. Did have to make a quick stop because was thirsty for some coconut. Now this girl is 12 years old and look at this. Leave a comment down below and tell me if you could have done this at 12. So we wash off our hearts and then we're on our way again. So we pulled into Somerset Falls. Guys, the place shriveled right down. Jesus. Shamaya, what you doing? Man. She in our element, guys. Country come to country. Broke up. It broke up, yes? Yes, we reached. You know, say Gladbach bus. It was such a long ride. Oh my gosh. But anyway, we're here, and for this video, you'll be hearing a lot of voiceovers than normal because I will be giving you the lowdown, the scoop, the deets of every curve, every inch of this hotel, and how I spent my 2 nights and 3 days. Okay guys, so ignore the bags and stuff, like we just got there, so we were literally just trying to set up. The cost for this villa, which the name of the villa is In Seclusion, it's actually $18,000 for 3 days and 2 nights, and this includes a plunge pool, as you can see, that's in the living room area. And this pool, beautiful, I tell you, in the nights. You can turn it on and it turns into a bubbly jacuzzi. There's actually hot water. You can choose between having hot water as well as just having that massage feeling. Bubbles, no bubbles, you decide. Yes, so another one of my favorite thing about this villa was the balcony area. It was big enough to fit us all, and you know, bring a table, play domino, play, you know, just bring a crew and hang out on the balcony. It's a really good feeling. Not much sunlight, you know, so you don't have to worry about being burnt by the sun. It's really relaxing in the nights. You hear the ocean crashing against the rocks. You can see the moonlight. A bit dark, but that's fine. It's very relaxing. Okay, so this is the room, and it came with a safety deposit box over in the corner. Didn't use it, didn't have much items to put in there. Cute little mirror, air conditioner, by the way. It was extremely warm for the setting that it was on. It was not as cool as I would hope. But Portland is very relatively cool, so it was fine. This is the bathroom, small and cute, rustic, zinc. Zinc was kind of cute to me. Shower, not much to see here, but it was decent. Back to the room. A little shelf to store your stuff, a little painting, and that's the balcony for this room. There's a hammock out there. I couldn't get the door open. Oh gosh. But yeah, there's a hammock out there, and it's so relaxing in the nights, guys. If you need some alone time, just stare at the stars, listen to the ocean in the dark. It is dope. Like, that's one of my favorite areas too. Yeah, so heading back out to the living room just to show you what's there. Other rooms. It came with a microwave, coffee maker, a fridge. By the way, the stuff in the fridge was ours. So the fridge was actually empty. Nothing came in it. So if you're planning to come here, make sure you come with stuff to drink. Don't be thinking it's all inclusive and you're getting drinks and all that. No, that's not happening.
No, we can't go up in the wood.
So for the most part, the property is still being redeveloped. There's renovations going on. This is the dining area that we're heading to, and they pretty much had coffee and tea bag for breakfast. The coffee was extremely weak, so we kind of combined both tea bag and coffee to get a little oomph. This is the dining area that was overlooking the ocean. That was cute, and this was for breakfast on the first day. Breakfast is pretty basic: eggs and pancakes or Jamaican breakfast. So we pretty much had that. Otherwise, I mean, it's $18,000, guys. What were you expecting? $18,000. But yeah, leave a comment down below if you would ever visit Sea Cliff Resort. I think that's the name. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.